When you search for beach canopies, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to find the shade that truly protects you from the sun while keeping things comfy, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Gorich Beach Tent in Turquoise. The Gorich Beach Tent caught my eye right away with its bright turquoise color and lightweight design. Priced at $39.99, it's considered a bestseller for a good reason. If you're looking for a spacious, easy-to-set-up beach shade, this is worth a serious look. What I love about this tent is its massive size. At 86.6 inches long and 59 inches wide, it comfortably fits 3-4 people. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It creates a perfect shady oasis for family and friends so you can all relax together away from the beating sun. The UPF 50+ protection is a game changer. It blocks 98% of harmful UV rays, which is crucial for skin safety, especially for kids. Plus, the setup is a breeze. It folds down to a small travel size of 17 inches tall and 4 inches wide, weighing just 3.9 pounds. Imagine carrying this in your bag without noticing it is there. Now, some people complained about the tent's stability in strong winds. Here's the thing though, if you're at a beach with gusty conditions, any tent might struggle. But for calm beach days, this tent is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a family-friendly beach tent that's easy to transport. Skip this one if you need something that can withstand high winds, but honestly, for casual beach outings, it's a great value. Now, if the size and setup of the Gorich Beach Tent impressed you, the next one offers a unique wind-powered design that takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Gorich Beach Tent in Blue. Another fantastic option from Gorich is their beach tent in blue, priced the same at $39.99. If you want a reliable, spacious shade solution for your beach trips, this one is also worth considering. Like its turquoise sibling, this tent boasts the same impressive space of 86.6 inches long and 59 inches wide. This means you can get the same level of comfort and protection from UV rays, thanks to its UPF 50+ rating. What I find interesting is that it also offers a water-repellent feature, which can be handy during unexpected light showers. Setting it up is just as easy, and it's lightweight enough to carry around without any hassle. However, I've seen some reviews mention that the fabric can feel thin. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle it with care, it should serve you well for those sunny beach days. Just remember, if you're looking for something ultra-durable against rough weather, this might not be the best pick. This is perfect for you if you're planning family outings and want something easy to manage. Skip this one if you're expecting to use it during heavy winds or rain, but for sunny days at the beach, it's a solid deal. Alright, that was a great option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a unique setup. Product number 3, Shibumi Shade Quiet Canopy. Meet the Shibumi Shade Quiet Canopy, a bit pricier at $305 but totally worth it for its innovative design. What caught my attention is its wind-powered feature that makes it stand out from traditional beach canopies. This canopy offers a massive 150 square feet of shade for up to 8 people, which is perfect for larger groups. I was genuinely surprised by how easy it is to set up, just 3 minutes and you're done. Plus, it only weighs 4 pounds, making it super portable. Unlike other canopies, it won't blow away in the wind, which is fantastic for beach days when the breeze picks up. Now, some users mention that the higher price might be a deal breaker. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about spending time at the beach and want a reliable, hassle-free experience, investing in this shade makes sense. This is perfect for you if you often go to the beach with a big group and need ample shade. Skip this one if you're on a tighter budget, but for those who love beach days, it's a great investment. Now, if the price of the Shibumi shade has you thinking twice, the next product gives you a more affordable option with similar convenience. Product number 4, Shibumi Shade Mini Canopy. Next up is the Shibumi Shade Mini Canopy, which retails for $230. If you're looking for a compact option that still offers great sun protection, this is the one for you. This mini version provides 75 square feet of shade, perfect for 4 people. It features the same wind-powered technology, so you won't have to deal with the frustration of a collapsing tent on windy days. It assembles in just 2 minutes, making it ideal for those who want to get to the beach and relax quickly. Plus, it's also made from 40% recycled plastic, which is a great bonus for eco-conscious consumers. However, I did notice that some reviews mentioned it might not be spacious enough for larger groups. Here's my take. If you typically head to the beach with a small crew or just a few kids, this isn't an issue. But if you plan on bringing friends or a lot of gear, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you want portability and quick setup. Skip this if you need something that can handle larger groups, but for small family outings, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're searching for a colorful option that's easy to set up, the final product offers a unique design that might catch your eye. Product number 5, AMMSUN Beach Cabana. Last but not least, the AMMSUN Beach Cabana, priced at $79.98, brings a fun coral tropical vibe to your beach setup. If you want something that's both functional and stylish, this might be the one for you. This cabana measures 6.5 feet by 6.5 feet, providing a generous amount of shade. It features 4 sand pockets for stability, which I think is a fantastic addition. You know how annoying it can be when your tent blows away? The sturdy alloy steel frame and top vents help keep it stable while allowing airflow. Plus, the UPF 50+ fabric ensures you're well protected from the sun. Some users have pointed out that it can be a bit heavy at 9.7 pounds. Here's my perspective. If you're okay with a little extra weight for a sturdier structure, it's worth it. But if you're looking for the lightest option possible, this may not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you love vibrant colors and need something stable. Skip this if you prioritize ultralight portability, but for a reliable beach shelter, it's a great choice. So to recap, from Gorich's spacious options to Shibumi's innovative designs and AMMSUN's vibrant cabana, there's something for everyone in this list. Choose what fits your beach vibes and enjoy your sunny days. We've covered some fantastic beach canopies today. The Gorich options offer great value and space, while Shibumi brings unique wind-powered designs. Finally, the AMMSUN Cabana adds a splash of color and stability. No matter what you choose, you'll be set for those sunny beach days ahead.